Come on, let's. So hey guys, welcome back to Stone's Corner, and in this video I will teach you how to change from improper fraction to mixed numbers. Yay! So our first question, and just a recap. So we know that a mixed number is a number that has a whole number part and a fraction part. From this example, 2.5. And we know that an improper fraction is a fraction in which the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. Here are our examples. So now we're going to be changing from an improper fraction to a mixed number. And our first example is 7/3. And to change from an improper fraction to a mixed number, what you have to do is to use the denominator to divide the numerator. So in this case, we're going to use the 3 to divide the 7. So we're going to say 7. So we're going to say 3 into 7 goes how many times? 2 times, that's right. 2 times 3 is 6. And then we subtract. So 6 from 7 leaves 1. So our remainder is 1. So then our fraction is going to be 2 will become our whole number, and the remainder goes over the denominator, which is 3. So 7/3 as an improper fraction to a mixed number is 2 1/3. So let's move on to another example. 40/16. So as I said, you use the denominator to divide the numerator. So the 40 goes in and the 16 goes out. So now we're going to say 16 into 40 goes how many times? And say you don't know, what you can do is to use either array, or you could add your numbers until you reach 40. So I'll show you both ways. What you could do is add 16 plus 16 and see how much that is. So 6 plus 6 is 12. You write down your 2, you carry the 1, and you say 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 1 gives 3. So we know that 2 times 16 is 32. So let's see if we can add another 16 rather. So 6 plus 2 is 8, and 3 plus 1 is 4. So 3 16s give 48. So that is too much, because we need to know how many times 16 can go into 40. So that would be 2 times. So just erase this. So we know that 2 times 16 is 32. Oops. 32. And then we subtract. So we can't take 2 from 0, so we have to take 1 from the 4. Turn this into 10. We put the 3. Then we say 2 from 10 is 8. And 3 from 3 is 0. So our remainder is 8. So our whole number becomes the 2, and the remainder goes over the 16. So on to our next example. So 20 over 11. And we do the same thing. We use the denominator to divide the numerator. So 11 can go into 20 only one time, because we know that 2 times 10 is 20. So we say 11 times 1 is 11, and then we subtract. So we cannot take 1 from the 0, so we have to take 1 from the 2, so that we will be able to subtract the 1. So 1 from 10 leaves 9, and 1 from 1 is 0. So our remainder is 9. So our whole number becomes the 1, and then we put 9 over the 11. So 20 upon 11 gives you a mixed number of 1 and 9 upon 11. So 101 upon 52. So 52 divided by 101. So we know that 52 times 2 is 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 5s is 10. So we know that 52 cannot go into 101 2 times. It can only go into 101 one time. So 1 times 52 is 52, and then we subtract. So we can't take 2 from 1, so we have to borrow from the 1. So we put a 0 because there's no more, and then put it to the 10, and we take 1 from the 10, and then make this 11. So then we say 11 minus 2 leaves 9. That's right. And we know that 5 from 9 leaves 4. So our remainder is 49. So our whole number is 1, and then the remainder goes over the denominator, which is 49 over 52. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and fun and entertaining. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Bye until next time.